Welcome back everyone. Let's do a quick refresher before we jump into make.com. In previous video, we explored the world of low code or no code AI automation. Tools that help you do more with less by letting software take over your repetitive and manual tasks. We met Rahul, the busy business owner who was juggling too many day-to-day jobs like answering emails, updating spreadsheet, posting on social media, and sending newsletters all on his own. With automation, Rahul was able to reclaim his time and energy by creating a smart workflow without writing a single line of code. That's the true power of low code or no code platforms. They enable anyone, even those with no coding skills, to build solutions faster, reduce errors, and focus on what truly matters. And that brings us today's topic, make.com. One of the most powerful tools you can use to design those automation visually. In this module, we are going to give you an introduction to Make, explain its key concepts like scenarios, triggers, and modules, understanding the Make's interface, and in last, we will be building a project and giving some assignments to you. So let's introduce Make. Think of Make as a visual automation powerhouse, a platform that let you design and build automated workflows without writing a single line of code. Make is like your own personal workflow architect. It's connect your favorite apps, services, tools so they can work together seamlessly. With Make, you can visualize entire process as flowcharts, automate multi-step tasks, and orchestrate complex systems, all through a simple drag and drop interface. Let me tell you what makes Make the best. So Make is incredibly flexible and powerful. You can go far beyond basic one-to-one connection by creating advanced conditional automation paths that truly fit your business or personal needs. This means you will save hours of manual work, reduce errors, and have more time to focus on the creative and strategic part of your work. It's about working smart, making automation a natural part of your toolkit. Before we jump into hands-on project, let's first look at some key concepts in Make. First one is scenario. So scenario is a visual workflow that connect multiple apps and automate your process. Next one is triggers. So triggers are events that start a scenario's executions. Next one is modules. Modules are individual building blocks that perform action or retrieve data in a scenarios. And the last one is templates. So templates are pre-built automation blueprints you can use and customize quickly according to your need. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of Make's interface and you will be all set to tackle some practical assessments to really make automation work for you.